In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana time tracking with Everhour. By the end, you'll have a clean Asana project scaffolded by Asana's AI, perfectly positioned for accurate time tracking and clear reporting with Everhour. First, open Asana and head to your home view. This is your command center where you can see recent work and quickly jump into key areas. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization before continuing, especially if you manage multiple teams. On the left-hand sidebar, click Projects. Think of projects as the containers for the tasks you'll track time against. Keeping time-tracked work inside a dedicated project helps you keep Everhour reports organized later, so it's worth setting this up thoughtfully from the start. Next, click New Project. You could begin from a blank layout or a template, but we're going to speed things up using Asana's AI so you can get a sensible structure without starting from scratch. Choose Create with AI. This opens a chat-style assistant that can generate a project plan, sections, and example tasks. It's helpful for jump-starting your setup. As a quick reminder, avoid entering sensitive or confidential information here. Keep your prompts high level. In the prompt area, type, create a time tracking. Keep it simple and direct. If you want, you can add neutral context like the type of work you do or the cadence you prefer, but you don't need specifics for the AI to produce a useful starting point. The goal is to get a framework you can customize. Now wait for it to load. Asana's AI will propose a project name, sections, and tasks that align with time tracking workflows. Give it a moment. If the preview takes a bit, that's normal. When the draft appears, skim it to make sure it matches your intent. You can regenerate or tweak the prompt if needed. When you're happy with the draft, click Go to Project. You'll land in your newly generated project, ready to review and refine. This is the perfect moment to align the structure with how you plan to track time. Make sure sections match your process and that tasks are clear, actionable, and assigned. Add due dates where appropriate. If you use custom fields like priority or estimated hours, set them up now so your future time logs are easier to interpret. Clear naming conventions and consistent task details make a big difference when you're analyzing time later. From here, you're set to pair this project with Everhour and begin tracking time on each task directly in Asana. With a well-structured project in place, your timesheets and reports will be far more accurate and easier to maintain.